And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Good evening. It's going to be a quiet night in northeast Wisconsin. Temperatures already starting to dip out there down into the lower 30s, 34 right now in Green Bay. A west wind fairly light at 3 miles per hour, but we'll get about a 5 mile per hour to as much as 10 mile per hour breeze through the overnight hours. And with the cloud cover, that should keep temperatures from dipping down too cold overnight tonight. We are done with the rain. That has now all moved out, and we're even seeing a few breaks in the clouds out there, but generally expecting still mostly cloudy skies through the overnight hours and then even on into tomorrow as well. Where we've seen some clearing out there this evening, temperatures are a little bit colder, 30 in Menominee, 30 in Oconto. It's 26 right now in Mountain, but where the clouds have been thicker, it's 37 in Sturgeon Bay, 36 in Kewaunee, and 35 right now in Manitowoc. Wind speeds fairly light, but where we are seeing stronger breezes, wind chills are a little bit colder. Wind chills now dipping down into the 20s for some areas. Feels like 29 in Appleton, 28 in Manitowoc, and feels like 25 degrees right now in Oconto. Satellite and radar picture the broad view showing a few breaks in the clouds out there this evening, but still quite a bit of cloud cover across Wisconsin. So mostly cloudy tonight, even on into tomorrow as well, but there should be a few peaks of sunshine at times. But we're tracking a system off to the west that's now moving onshore along the west coast. Could provide some travel delays tomorrow if you're heading off in that direction, but that will eventually work towards us and bring us some steady rainfall here late Sunday night into Monday. Monday could be a pretty tricky commute in the morning, but if you're traveling tomorrow, looks great across the upper Midwest. Driving, no problems all the way over towards the Dakotas and Nebraska. But then on Sunday, things get interesting. That storm system starts to work through the upper Midwest, and some steadier and even heavy rain at times will move through parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, eventually getting into Wisconsin as we move into the evening hours and then working towards northeast Wisconsin through the overnight. Here's a look how things play out with Skycast. Again, mostly cloudy skies tonight into tomorrow, maybe a few breaks of sunshine at times. Then as we move on into Sunday, still going to look at a decent amount of clouds, but there will be some mixture of sunshine in there as well. Clouds will thicken up across the area, turning overcast into the evening as that storm system approaches. Notice some pretty heavy rainfall starts to work on in Sunday night, and that could make for a bit of a slower commute as you head back to work and school on Monday. Shopcast for tomorrow, small business Saturday looks pretty good. It'll be a dry day. Won't need to worry about any kind of rain showers, so you can leave the umbrella at home. Hunters, some good news for you. It will be dry out there for Saturday and also Sunday as well for the final 2 days of the gun deer season. We'll start to get a little bit breezy though. You'll notice that as we move into Sunday afternoon. Your forecast night down to 30, cloudy skies, maybe a few breaks at times. And then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies up to 42 for your Saturday. And then your extended forecast looking like this. We stay dry this weekend, but then Monday, rainy and also very windy out there as well. But it will be mild. Temperatures warming through the weekend on to early next week as well. But then trending cooler as we get later into the week. A pesky low pressure system will at least give us the chance for spotty wintry precip there Wednesday, Thursday, and even on into Friday.
It's kind of a mixed bag.
A little bit of a mixed bag, and yeah, not much sun to be had next week.
All right, a little gloomy.
A little bit.
Thanks,
yep.
Matt.